Hey everyone, it's Gina from Korea. I wanted to invite you out on Monday, November 11th at the Hyatt in Lisle. We're going to be having a really special vendor showcase event that you don't want to miss. We're going to be having a ton of vendors, including a real estate attorney, a lender, contractor, and more. We're also going to be giving away a ton of raffles, including an iPad mini and a Ring doorbell. Plus, we'll have food too. So mark your calendars for Monday, November 11th. For more information, visit our website at www.korea.org. We'll see you November 11th.